6 Incredible Health Benefits of Okra. Okra is the seed pod of the Abelmoschus esculentus plant. It's filled with tiny white seeds and is sometimes called lady's fingers due to its long, slender, tube-like shape. Native to Ethiopia, okra was brought to North America by enslaved people and settlers when they arrived centuries ago. Now, let's know some of the benefits of okra. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Okra is rich in many nutrients and particularly high in vitamins C and K. This fruit is unique, as it provides protein, a nutrient that many other fruits and vegetables lack. Number 2. Contains beneficial antioxidants. Okra is rich in antioxidants that may reduce your risk of serious diseases, prevent inflammation, and contribute to overall health. Most notably, it contains polyphenols that may contribute to heart and brain health. Number 3. May lower heart disease risk. Animal research suggests that okra may bind to cholesterol in your gut and lower blood cholesterol levels. It's also rich in polyphenols, which fight harmful inflammation and protect your heart. Number 4. May have anticancer properties. Okra contains a protein called lectin, which is being studied for its role in cancer prevention and treatment. More human research is needed. Number 5. May lower blood sugar. Eating okra has been linked to blood sugar control. Yet, some research suggests that it may interfere with common diabetes medications. Number 6. Beneficial for pregnant women. Eating okra may help pregnant women meet their daily folate needs. Folate is important for preventing neural tube defects.